What is up, you guys? I'm back with another shop update. Things are moving along, and hopefully by tomorrow I'm back working. You know, I went to a shop, obviously that's twice the size, trying to get everything situated and organized so that way I don't have to start working, move some stuff to get it out of the way, and then get back to working. So all my clients kind of understand what's going on and are fully with me. And yeah, so let me show you guys a little update. I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you what's been going on. So got all the trucks in here, you guys. And then this is what I'm going to make my metal fab area. Like I said, kind of got some things moved. Got the shear moved by myself today. Almost threw my back out, but it's moved. I got Rob's shear right next to mine. I'm gonna move that shrinker stretcher because it's obviously in the way. I can't use it, but tooling up against the wall. Over here, I'm gonna build a metal rack to house all the sheet metal and all the tube. One second. Oh, excuse me, guys. Up here, I got my pegboard installed with all my benchmark abrasives, all of the good stuff. I got all my Aries tools, hammers up there. And yeah, a couple of saws, my plasma. I got my plastic sheet down there. Little miscellaneous rems right there. Behind this pegboard is some body panels that I got that I use for templating. I'm gonna do a little bit of artwork or signage right here and a little up top, kind of like I did over here, guys. So got my banner, which these are for sale on my website. The homies at Benchmark, my boy Hondo from Laid Back Apparel, Joe and them over at Square Body Syndicate. Got some cool banners. Sunoco, you know, official Fields of NASCAR. Need to find a place for the radio. Obviously, I need the belt and disc sander. What else? This area still needs to get organized. I just kind of haven't really got to it. What else? Let's see. Got all of my different nuts and bolts and hardware and crap like that mounted up. I got some signage. My girlfriend actually bought that Square Body Boulevard one online for my birthday. Shout out to my babe. Got the guys at PSI, GMC Ave. I got my whiteboard that's all going to be filled with all the projects and everything that needs to be done on them, so that way I can keep track. Got my calendar, that's kind of for days off and drop-offs and whatnot. Some more signage. The homies from Purpose Built, you know I gotta represent. Square Body Syndicate again. My wheel dollies, my skates so I can move stuff around. We got the 67 all covered up, just because there is a drop down off the swamp cooler and it's going to create a whole lot of rust that we don't need on this. My toolbox is going to hang out in the corner over here next to the three-phase converter. We got the paint cabinet and different fluids. This can stay over here. I need to organize it. Had a little rough ride. Then as we continue to walk, I'm going to put a bunch of stuff right here, guys, cover up this insulation. Got my pole jacks. Parts washer probably is going to go down there, and that will free up some space over here. Press is going to stay there. I gotta set it back up with all my swag guys. Gonna start putting some stuff up here. I don't know what yet, but we'll get to it. But yeah, guys, a lot of progress so far. I got a bunch of trash over here. Up top, we got a bunch of stuff put up there. Different clients' parts organized by sections. Yeah, all this stuff, the majority of this stuff is going to go upstairs. It just needs to find out where. And yeah, guys, she's definitely getting a lot more dialed up. I'm hoping to be done tomorrow with everything and back working, you guys. So for everybody that's currently waiting on a vehicle, I thank you for your patience. This isn't easy, especially not by myself, but I'm making it happen like I always do, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. I'm gonna have some cool stuff coming up soon. I gotta finish Dan's truck, finish Jason's truck, finish up my 64, and then, you know, we got a whole bunch of other stuff on the menu. So stay tuned, guys. And I'm also gonna do a little review of that. I won't show you what it is, but yeah, things are coming along, guys. So like I said, stay tuned. I spent most of today hanging signage and getting some stuff organized in its final resting place. Tomorrow I should have everything done. So I'll see you guys soon.